waddle with us to the coldest place on Earth to meet some very cute friends. Hello there, little explorers. I'm so excited you're here. Today we're visiting the South Pole, where it's always snowy and the air feels crisp and chilly. Brr. But don't worry, because we have some penguin pals to keep us company. Penguins are amazing birds, but did you know they can't fly? Instead, they spend their days waddling and sliding on the ice like little snowballs with flippers. Penguins live in the South Pole, which is also called Antarctica. That's a super cold place, far, far away at the bottom of the world. Now let's talk about their funny waddle. Have you ever seen a penguin walk? They rock side to side, just like this. Waddle, waddle. Penguins have short little legs and big round tummies, so it's easier for them to waddle than walk straight. It helps them balance on the slippery ice. But how do penguins stay warm when it's so very cold? Well, they wear a cozy coat of fluffy feathers, like a snuggly jumper. And when they feel chilly, penguins huddle together with their friends and families. Imagine a big, warm penguin cuddle pile. That would feel so nice. Here's something really cool. Penguins are super swimmers. They zoom underwater like rockets, chasing after shiny fish to eat. Their flippers help them flap and glide, and their little bodies are perfect for diving deep and popping back up again. Swish, splash, and away they go. And guess what? Baby penguins are called chicks. They're fluffy, gray, and oh so cute. Mama and Papa penguins take turns looking after their chicks, keeping them warm and feeding them yummy food. Sometimes the chicks cuddle under their parents' tummies to stay safe and cozy. Now it's time to say goodbye to our penguin pals. Look, they're waving their flippers just for you. Thanks for watching Brightbloom. Subscribe for more magical animal adventures.